Hi guys, welcome back. It's Lisa. Today I've got another fun and super simple Dollar Tree DIY for us. We're going to be making a pair of Glam Bling mirrored tea light holders. And these tea light holders will be featuring these gorgeous pendants. They're chandelier pendants. And they are from EFavormart.com. EFavormart.com is an online retailer, and they provide party and event supplies, event backdrops, event lighting, and centerpiece decor. But they also provide so much more than that. They have got a host of beautiful supplies on their website, so go and check them out. They reached out to me and I have partnered with them, and so you'll be seeing a lot more of their beautiful items featured in DIYs moving forward on this channel. So they were generous enough to provide me with a 10% discount code for my subscribers to use. It is the same as the channel name, A Cozy Casita, all one word. And so when you're on their website and you see some beautiful items that you like and you want to purchase, use the discount code for my channel and you'll get a 10% discount on that. I will have all of their information linked in the description box below, and that will include information on any exclusions that are not eligible under that 10% discount. It's not very many, just a couple, but I will have it listed there for your convenience. And so I'm really excited about this partnership with EFavormart.com, and I would like to thank them for making this video possible. So what you'll need is you're going to need 2 of these tea light holders, and these are the graduated height, but you can make your tea light holders the same height if you'd like to do that. I have got 2 of these round mirrors from Dollar Tree as well. And then we're going to need some of the peel and stick gemstones. And I picked these up at Walmart, but they do have these peel and stick gemstones on a half sheet size at Dollar Tree. Of course, we're going to be using these gorgeous pendants from EFavormart.com. Aren't they gorgeous? They're chandelier pendants, but I'm going to be using them to make my tea light holders. And I'm going to be using hot glue on this project, but you can use, if you like to make it permanent, something like an E6000 or permanent bond. And these are the items that we'll need in order to get this project started. So, well, let's get started. Okay, you guys, are these a beautiful pair of Tealight holders or what? They are absolutely stunning and so easy to make. Now let's go ahead and start playing around and decorating with them. Okay, well there you have it guys, another beautiful, stunning glam DIY. I hope you guys will give this easy DIY a try. If you like these kinds of DIYs, please be sure to share these videos with your friends. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe and hit the notifications bell so that you don't miss any of the future uploads, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.